They live both on land and in water and are known for their long lifespan. They love playing with laser lights thanks to their hunting instincts. They carry their babies in their pouches and can jump at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Right now, they might be lying under the sun, purring because they love being lazy. They are known for their loyalty to their owners and make great companions. They are probably rolling a ball with their paws, inviting you to play. They see better at night because their eyes are highly sensitive to low light. They are the largest cats in the world and prefer hunting alone. They might be trying to fit into a cardboard box right now. They always move slowly, but are patient and determined. They wag their tails to express happiness. They love swinging from trees and have excellent hand skills. They hunt at night and can rotate their heads 270 degrees. They are patient and resilient animals. Easily adapting to harsh conditions. They might be planning to knock over the vase on the table right now. They crow at sunrise to announce the beginning of the day. They are highly resistant to cold weather thanks to their thick fur. They might be watching their prey by the water's edge right now. They spend most of their day grooming themselves. They move like ninjas while chasing a fly right now. They are independent, but can still show loyalty to their owners. They can smell things from very far away with their incredible sense of smell. They might be running at full speed to catch a stick right now. They are small and energetic dogs that constantly want to play. They are loyal and affectionate animals that bring happiness to people. They are probably howling right now. Imagining leading a pack like a wolf. They watch their prey from above with sharp eyesight and can dive very fast. They adapt quickly to their surroundings and explore every corner. They might be snuggling into a pillow and sleeping right now because they love comfort. They can damage furniture by sharpening their claws, so you need to be careful. They might be sitting by the window watching birds outside right now. They meow to communicate with their owners and express their needs. They are one of the most impressive animals in the world with their strength and elegance. They might be trying to climb the highest shelves in the house right now. They are usually very curious and love to explore their surroundings. They attract attention with their elegant appearance. And are usually very gentle. They might be sneaking into the kitchen right now because they smelled food.